We are pleased to show you the 2025 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.